The Ant and the Grasshopper.
A version of the tale by EnglishWithStory.com.
It is spring. Ant is working a lot. Grasshopper is playing. Grasshopper wants to play with Ant.
Hi, Ant.
Says Grasshopper.
What are you doing today?
I'm working.
Says Ant.
I'm getting ready for winter.
Oh, why? Winter is far away.
Says Grasshopper.
Let's play football.
Not today.
Says Ant.
I have to work.
Now it's summer.
Hello, Ant.
Says Grasshopper.
Let's play baseball. I can lend my bat and gloves to you.
Not today.
Says Ant.
I have to work.
Work is boring. Let's play baseball.
Baseball is nice. I love to play it.
Says Ant.
But I have to work.
Now it's fall.
Hey, Ant.
Says Grasshopper.
What are you doing?
I'm taking in the food from the garden.
Says Ant.
Oh, you have too much work.
Says Grasshopper.
I don't like to work. Let's play basketball.
Basketball is nice and fun, but winter is coming soon.
Says Ant. Now it's winter. Grasshopper is cold and hungry. He has no food. He goes to Ant's house. Ant is warm. He has a lot of food.
Please, Ant.
Says Grasshopper.
May I have some food?
Come in.
Says Ant.
Thank you, Ant.
You're welcome.
Moral: work today so you can rest tomorrow.
Glossary. Listening the vocabulary.
Football or soccer? Baseball. Basketball. Seasons of the year: spring, summer, fall, winter.
Thanks for watching. Please comment and like. Subscribe.